Okay, so welcome back. So in this example, I'm going to read the example out, and then I'm going to write down the information. So make sure you write down the information as I'm reading the problem so you understand the context of what's going on. So it says, if tubing is manufactured in lengths of 8 feet 4 inches, and a part uses tubing that is 10 inches long, how many parts can be cut from the length of tubing if we do not account for waste? So in other words, what we're going to do is divide 8 feet 4 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so we're going to divide 8 feet 4 inches by 10 inches. Okay? So, since we have units involved here, we've got to make sure that we have the same units all the way around. And so, like I said, we typically will convert everything to the smallest unit of measure, in this case, inches. So the first thing we want to do is convert this to inches. So, we have 8 feet over 1, and so I'm going to use the unit ratio. So 8 feet equals what? There's 12 feet, or excuse me, 12 inches in a foot. Right? And the feet cancel, and I'm left with what? .96 inches, right? So but then I still have the 4 feet, or excuse me, the 4 inches. So now I have 96 inches plus the 4 inches equals 100 inches. Now I'm going to divide. So now I'm going to divide the 100 inches by the 10 inches. Okay? Now, let's write it in fractional form. So I'm going to divide the 100 inches by 10 inches. Now notice the inches are going to cancel out. So I'm going to get it what we call a unitless number. Okay? And now again, in these problems, does this make sense that the units will drop out? And it's yes. Because what are they asking? They're asking me how many parts can be manufactured from an 8 foot, 4 inch length of tubing when one part requires 10 inches of tubing. So how many parts can I make? So the answer should be unitless because I'm looking for the number of parts. So now, in this case, these are going to cancel, and of course, now I can see that this is easily divisible because this is going to cancel with this, and I end up with 10 parts. So 10 parts can be manufactured from this length of tubing. And that's it. Take care.